Tango guys, welcome to Kaiser Chiefs True News Sport. Today I'm going to talk about tomorrow's game, guys. I so wish we can win and at least have uh 22 points, guys, and that will make Orlando Pirates and Sundowns Kokone to panic, guys, because we will be knocking on the door, guys, competing for the league. And anyway, this is our chance, guys, to compete on the league. We've been very far. People have been laughing at us, saying whatever they want to say. I think it's time for us now to show up, guys, in the field to show the guys that Kaiser Chiefs has it all, guys, because we do have best players, guys. We do have best players. I don't wanna lie. When I look at the bench, substitutes, and then the team, the whole team, guys, we have best players. It's just that small mistakes, guys, small mistakes that are happening, but I think the guys are fixing it. And the other thing, guys, is ECAF Confederation Cup, guys. I so wish we can beat the team that we are playing against, guys. So because of, if we can beat that team, guys, that will show that the Confederation Cup is ours, guys. And I wish us all the best, guys. I wish we can go out and be serious and behave, because our players need to behave, guys. When they are being coached, they have to be in control of the ball, not in control of argument with the coaches, guys. Because some other things, if you are arrogant with the coach, sometimes you ended up playing wrong football, because now you have that thing to say, I want to show you that I can play in my way. So it's wrong, guys. Players, they have to have discipline, and the coaches have to respect our players as well. Even the management, they need to respect coaches and take care of them, because at the end of the day, we are one family, one team, guys. I just want to thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you very much, because that means a lot to me. That shows that at least my account is growing bit by bit, even if I'm still far, but I know I will get there, guys, with your support. Thank you very much. Please keep on subscribing.